All right, we're going to take a look at question number 8 in our review packet. There's that dreaded word again. What will most likely be the effect on cloud cover when there is a stationary front in an area? Now, when we talked about stationary fronts, we said stationary fronts, I'll abbreviate that, rain over a period of days. We said it can bring stratus, specifically nimbostratus clouds, which would cause that rain to happen over a long period of time. Now, let's take a look at our answer choices. Low, thick clouds, that describes stratus, low and thick, will remain in the area while the front remains stationary. Okay, I kind of like that answer. Light, wispy clouds. Now we all know that light, wispy clouds are cirrus clouds, and typically cirrus clouds mean that we are going to have fair weather. So I'm going to go ahead and rule this one out because we know stationary fronts bring long periods of rain. Now, if I look at this next one, light and variable winds, okay. Partly clear skies. All right, when you have stratus clouds, they blanket the sky. That cannot be the answer. High winds will blow. Yes, blow clouds away and skies will be clear and sunny. That sounds like a high pressure system is moving in, so that can't be the answer. So our best answer was our first answer, and that is A.